Hello everyone. Today it's a beautiful day, beautiful evening here in Sydney. It's spring in Australia. Today I'm going to check whether I can harvest some potatoes. This is my grow bag, so I planted some potatoes in here a couple of months ago. So let's see whether we can find some potatoes. Okay, let's find out what we got here. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is the original one actually. This is the original one. The one I planted. Look at this. Oh, another one. Wow. This time it's successful. I have tried growing potatoes before. Actually, this is the first time I grew in grow bags. Actually, it's successful, but it's they're not that big, but it's okay. This is the one I planted actually. So far 6. Let's find out whether we can find some more. Got another one. That's another one. Oh, we got more. There you go. Another one. They're not that big actually. Tiny potatoes. This is an old one, sprouted one, which I planted before. No, oh no, one more. One more. There you go. Let's see whether we can find more. I can see some. Oh, here. Oh, where is it? I saw one. Oh, here you go. Teeny one. Another tiny baby potato. I think that's it. How many? Not many. I think that's it. No more. Okay. There you go. How many are there? I think it starts to sprout, I think. This is all I got. I really like these grow bags. I have grown other vegetables in grow bags. I'm growing carrots and beetroot as well. They're really good. You can reuse them. The material is really durable and it has handles, so it's easy to carry. I bought these grow bags from Bunnings on sale. Can't remember how much it was. Anyway, so I can reuse these bags. Also I can reuse this soil, so I have to keep it for some time and then plant something in here, maybe carrots or maybe potatoes again. Let's see. Okay, this is today's harvest. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.